I like dead people. As funny as that sounds, that is my business. I'm the managing director of Sopema Funeral Services. As young as I am, it was very tough getting into this business because firstly, I had directors that are older than me, and that is one obstacle. The second obstacle, there's an association of undertakers, 100 people who are way too old than me, and they undermine me. All I've strived for is to give out the best to people. And I might say that I have a passion for dead people, but at the end of the day, it's about having a passion for saving people. Giving out to those who are needy, giving out to those who are at their time of need, being there for them. And that's what we do. I don't want to be like other undertakers. I want to create my own market. But coming to Race Corp, I got all the support that I needed. I got more than the support that I needed. They were there. They were willing to answer the call at 9 p.m. after office hours. That is people who are dedicated to helping you as an entrepreneur. I had the support. I had a personal guide. I had a strategy guide. I had a finance guide. People who showed me what, this might be the alternative. If you think that is not going right, then maybe this might look better. And, implementing those into my business has worked. And I absolutely love the year that I've spent with Race Corp. Because even though I haven't made that million rands in my bank account, I have done a million things differently than what I would have done them without being here.
The first thing that struck me about him was his passion to serve and his passion to take his service to a new level. It's always been a theme in all our sessions about how much the people he's working with mean to him and also how much they acknowledge him. I think he gets a lot from being in the business that he's in, and he thrives on that. So he'll go the extra mile to make sure that his customers are getting the best service possible. He has what it takes, I think, to make a great success of this business, and he's already proved that.